Here you can see our neighbor's ducks. That's their mom. We have two beautiful moms here. You see, they're so cute.
De Wendy. ¿A qué la vamos a poner?
¿Usted qué? Pero tiene una mancha.
So now we're in the Rivers Beach. You can see the mountains there. You're gonna forgive me for the shaky recording, but you know I'm riding a horse and it's very hard to record. So now we're gonna cross the small river we have here. It's very small at this moment of the year. And that's my girlfriend's mom. You're now on our piece of land and you're gonna see the small creek we have next to the house we're naturally building. And now that we have arrived to our piece of land, these babies are gonna wait for us here. We got plenty of grass and some plants to eat. You can see we are surrounded by nature. It feels really fresh, really refreshing here. It's a hot weather, but we got very good wind. Now I'm gonna show you the creek that I was talking about. I think you can hear the sound of it. Beautiful. Really beautiful. It has quite an amount of water. You can see my boots here. And here we are planning to make a device that I'm gonna show you in the next video to be able to take advantage of the flow of this little creek we have to produce electricity, because we are completely off grid here. Ooh. It's a bit hard to cross it while you're recording. This is what we're making. So natural. And over there we're planning to get some chickens, some hens, so we can sell some eggs. Fresh lemons from our tree. So this is our kitchen. It isn't perfect at the moment because we're just starting to make all of this. We're gonna improve it later.